In a major development in the Alabama congressional map court battle, the U.S. Supreme Court said today it would not grant the state of Alabama's request to stop the redrawing of the state's congressional map.
A court-appointed special master turned over 3 maps to a federal 3-judge panel Monday. That panel has rejected Alabama's 2021 and 2023 congressional maps, saying they appear to violate the Voting Rights Act. The panel ordered maps to be drawn after Alabama refused to draw a 2nd district that included a majority or near a majority black voting age population.
News 19 Chief Investigative Reporter Brian Lawson joins us now in the studio. So Brian, is it fair to actually even ask what happens next in this case?
You can ask. The answer is kind of a moving target. What we know is the panel asked for 3 maps that don't violate the Voting Rights Act. We know that the Supreme Court isn't going to intervene, which suggests the map chosen by the court will go forward, and we know that the parties can ask for an October 3rd hearing on any objections. Now, the 3 maps drawn by the special master mostly alter the composition of District 2 in South Alabama, which stretches across the state. The special master said the maps were made by creating a district modeled on black voting age population, not by voting age population, but by how voters' preferred candidates performed in prior elections using those districts. But the maps also included changes to District 2 and District 7's black voting age populations. Now, this table taken from the special master's report to the court shows the black voting age populations in District 2 and District 7 under the 3 proposed maps are larger than the figures in the state's map. The heart of the dispute is creating a district where black voters have the opportunity to elect a congressman of their choice. The special master looked at prior races with the data from the plaintiffs and the legislature. The 3 maps for District 2 show the black preferred candidate winning between 13 and 16 of 17 races and by margins between 8 and 10%. Now, the legislature's map here, drawn in July, continued the strength of black voters in District 7, but offered a very different likely outcome for District 2. The special master's report said, quote, that plan includes 1 district, District 7, that would elect the black preferred candidate. The next best district, District 2 now, under the legislature's map, would almost never elect a black preferred candidate, and the black preferred candidate would have lost elections by an average margin of 6.1%. It's an ongoing fight. Attorney General Steve Marshall's office has argued against the panel's findings. Marshall said they will continue to fight for the 2023 map. In a statement, in part, he said, quote, we will comply with the district's court preliminary injunction order while building our case for the 2023 map, which is yet to receive a full hearing. We are confident the Voting Rights Act does not require and the Constitution does not allow separate but equal congressional districts.